Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we will be analyzing TCS. So let's get started. Okay, so this is TCS stock. Let me first clear the chart and then go to weekly time frame and then start by drawing a support line, support resistance line. So okay, here is the line I have drawn. So you can see the touches here. This is one touch, okay, in the month of October, 5th October. Okay, so this was acting like a resistance back then it broke, and then again it tested it as a support. Okay, so this was the resistance. Okay, then it went up, it broke. Okay, and again it came back and now tested it as a support. After that it kept going up like this. Okay, then it slowed down and again came to the same area of support. Okay, although it did not exactly touch, but as I have mentioned in my previous video that these are the support lines are not exactly lines, you can consider them as zones. Okay, so the price will almost reach that area but not exactly touch. Okay, and that is okay. Okay, so after that let's see what it did. Now let's zoom into the daily time frame. Okay, now let's draw one trend line here, support resistance line here also. Okay, marking this. Okay, let me get the tool again. So let's see the validity of this trend line. So here is one touch, here is one touch, then one more here, this one passed through. Okay, then again one more touch, this one more and one more here, and then final one is here. Okay, so now let's zoom in a little bit and draw one trend line. Okay, so I have used these two levels. Okay, these two levels to draw the trend line, and as you can see, after price went up by, let's just calculate from the low point to the high point, it went up by 18%, 18.6%. then it slowed down here. Okay, and broke this trend line. The primary trend line is broken. Okay, now it formed another trend line. Okay, we have to draw it like this. This is the second trend line. Okay, the primary trend line which is the strongest. Okay, the first trend line, when we draw, the trend is at its peak. Okay, it will go up really fast, and then after it slows down a little bit, the progress will not be that fast, and also it might even not do any progress. It might start going down. Okay, the uptrend is might be over. It can either go sideways or it can go up, but in slow manner, or it can directly come down. Anything is possible. So as you can see, the stock has also broken the second trend line here also. Okay, and it has come here. Okay, on the date of the last trading day was 23rd December, that is Friday. Okay, so it has broken the second trend line as well. Okay, now I can clearly see another interesting pattern here, that is head and shoulders pattern. Okay, let me remove these two trend lines, then I will show you where it is. Let me know in the comment section below if you can spot it. Okay, for now let me draw it. So sometimes the pattern is not clearly visible in candlesticks. So what we can do is we can switch to the line chart. Okay, let me switch it and you can immediately spot the pattern, the head and shoulders pattern. So if you do not know what is head and shoulders pattern, please do Google search as of now, and also I have made two videos on head and shoulders pattern. I'll leave the link in the description section below, you can check. Okay, so let's switch to line chart. Okay, so you can clearly see this pattern here. Let me draw it first. Okay, okay, now let's draw the neckline. Okay, this neckline is perfectly horizontal in nature. Okay, fine. Now let's switch to the candlestick pattern. Okay, as you can see, this is the pattern. Okay, and the neckline has been broken here, and now it has retested. Okay, the stock has retested this line. Okay, so what will happen next? So these are the possible scenarios that can take place. Okay, first of all, TCS might slow down here little bit, okay, for some days, and then slowly start going down. Okay, or else as it has retested the neckline, it can directly fall. Okay, so where it will fall, let's see that also. It could drop to this level, which is around 3100. Okay, currently it is at 3228. Okay, it could drop to 3100, or it could drop to this previous level of 2956, or it can go down even lower to this level. Okay, 2870. Okay, that level, anything can happen. So as this pattern has formed, okay, this is a head and shoulders pattern, so it is a strong bearish pattern. So the downtrend will also be strong. This is what we can expect, and we cannot confirm if the downtrend is over unless we see some big green candles at some area of support. Okay, so that's all for this video. And for investors, I would suggest that if you want to buy TCS, you can wait for the downtrend to be over and then enter around 3000 level. Okay, or at least 3100. Okay, so that's all, and I will keep updating about this stock in my future videos. Okay, thank you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you and have a nice day.